I am at the Edgewater Cafe at 4911 Detroit Avenue. Currently bar down below, 1-bedroom apartment upstairs, and a 2-car garage, a little courtyard. It's an iconic place because the Shoreway lets off right here at West 49th Street. So lots of traffic, people taking a right, driving by this. You can see downtown in the background. You've got new townhomes being built there. You've got an apartment building being built right there. And all these car lots will not be here for long. This will be multifamily development most likely. So, and this Edgewater Cafe will be right in the middle of it. Step into the bar. Got old school bar here. Stools, bar back. A lot of the equipment's old. You know, don't know what works, what doesn't. Some of it, like I said, is pretty old, so you'd have to figure that out. But there is a stove and all that. D3 license, men's and women's bathroom. All this stuff will be coming out. A lot of different people have some of this, own some of this stuff here, the brown stuff and all that, and they will be taking that with them. So we got the pool table. Got this little back room here, pretty much storage. This cute courtyard. Which leads to the garage. 2-car masonry garage. It's got nice garage doors. Little loft up there for storage. Two ways into the basement. There's this way down here, which is probably an old outdoor entrance that got enclosed at some point. It's a little dark down here, so please don't mind me here. It does go under the whole building. So it feels pretty dry. It's damp, but there's no dehumidifier. I think if you ran a dehumidifier, it'd probably dry right up. Okay, we're gonna go up the front entrance. Steep stairs. Back entrance is much easier. Okay, we got the men's room. And back here we've got the women's room, or ladies' room as it's marked. And we'll head upstairs to the apartment. So we got the bathroom, got downtown view. Bedroom. Kitchen area at the bar. And a small living area. So small place, but it's cute. Needs some flooring, but it's not in bad shape. And that's all I got for you.